It's an amazing day to be alive. Wouldn't you agree? I want you to think about this. We might lose things, right? Things might not go our way. It just might not even go as planned. But don't lose twice, right? Maybe your relationship doesn't go the way you want it. Maybe your money situation doesn't go the way you want it. Maybe your friendship, maybe a job situation, maybe whatever it is. But I want you to think about this. Every minute that you're angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. So whether you lost a job or whatever, you lost something, you lost money, don't lose your happiness on top of that. That's twice as bad. All you do is recalibrate, get back in order, figure out the next move. Because really, most of the time, those be blessing in disguise. You ever been in a situation where it's like, man, my relationship went down the drain, and then something better happened a year later, 6 months later? It's like that door would have never opened if one didn't close. Come on. Just every time you have a chance, be a great person. Because otherwise, if you act like the person that hurt you, you become just like them. Remember, every minute that you're angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. If you understand what I'm saying, I want you to write in the comments, I get it. Let's rock on.